Why, hello there, Godai Flynn. How are you doing? I'm doing great, Frob and Jasper. What have you been up to? Oh, not much. Just been out in the ocean surfing. Unfortunately, I can't actually balance on the surfboard because I don't have bones. Godai, I have a question for you. Do you have any family members? I actually don't know, actually. Probably not. That's perfectly fine, Godai. Don't worry about it. Well, I'm happy to at least meet you guys for real. And we're glad to meet you as well, Godai. So anyway, see ya.